Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by declaring what this repo is for and who benefits. This anchors every section. Once you have the project name, one-line summary, and license, add essential badges for CI and coverage so readers trust the build. Next, give the first actionable step, a copyable install command and minimal example to run. Make sure to include prerequisites only if they matter. Otherwise, keep it lean so newcomers can get started immediately and see value fast. Once done with setup, show how to use the project in real scenarios so people learn by doing. Provide concise usage examples with expected output and edge case notes to reduce confusion. Then explain configuration. List environment variables, config files, and sensible defaults so users can reproduce behavior. Finally, document key APIs or CLI flags in a tiny table format. This reduces back and forth and lets developers integrate your work without reading source code line by line. To finish, add contribution instructions, a short changelog link, and your release process so the project stays healthy. Make sure to include a concise checklist for pull requests and testing requirements to speed reviews. For maintenance, suggest semantic versioning and how to cut releases. If something breaks, list one confident troubleshooting tip, rebuild dependencies, or reset config, so users can recover quickly and continue working without needing to contact you immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.